In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a hero video banner in Shopify Sense theme. We're going to use the Sense theme's built-in video banner option so you can replace a static image with motion without touching any code. Start by opening your Shopify admin, then head to Online Store, choose Themes, and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you'll work directly on your homepage. In the left panel of the editor, select your homepage template and choose Add Section. Depending on your version of Sense, look for a section labeled Video Banner, Video Background, or Video Hero. Names can vary slightly, but they all serve the same purpose: displaying a video at the top of your page. Before you attach a video, it's best to upload it to your store files for clean management. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Files to upload your video, ideally as an MP4 for broad compatibility and faster loading. Short, compressed clips usually perform best. Think a few seconds that loop seamlessly, with minimal text baked into the footage. Once uploaded, go back to the theme editor, open your video banner section, and select your file from the library, or follow the on-screen prompt to upload it right there. If the section offers a poster image, add one. This acts as a fallback on mobile devices or on slower connections where autoplay might be restricted. Choose a high-quality image that represents the first moment of your video so the transition feels natural. Now configure the content and styling. Add an attention-grabbing heading and a clear supporting line. Then set your call to action button to link to a key destination like a featured collection or your shop page. Adjust the overlay color and opacity to make the text readable against the moving background. Tune the height or size so the hero fills the area you want without cropping important parts of the video. If the section includes options to loop or mute the video, keep it looping and muted for a smooth, distraction-free hero. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. Use the preview to check both desktop and mobile views, making sure text remains legible. The button is easy to tap, and the video loads quickly. If it plays smoothly and your message stands out, you've successfully added a video hero banner in Sense: fast, clean, and no code needed.